Before we start this video, please click and subscribe for more interesting videos. The name, beluga whale, is derived from the Russian word, beluga, which means, white. This name is fitting for these whales because they are known for their distinctive pure white or light gray coloration. Beluga whales are easily identifiable due to their striking appearance and the absence of a dorsal fin, as well as their unique vocalizations, which have earned them the nickname, sea canary. Beluga whales inhabit Arctic and subarctic waters, including the Arctic Ocean and adjacent seas. Their white coloration is an adaptation to their icy habitat, providing camouflage among the ice floes and aiding in their survival in these cold environments. The name, beluga, is a reference to their appearance and serves as a descriptive term for these beautiful and distinctive Arctic cetaceans. Beluga whales, Delphinapterus lucas, primarily inhabit Arctic and subarctic waters. They can be found in a variety of habitats within these regions, including coastal areas. Belugas are commonly found in shallow coastal waters, estuaries, and river mouths during the summer months. They often migrate to these areas for feeding, breeding, and giving birth. Open ocean. They also inhabit open Arctic and subarctic ocean waters, especially during migrations or when searching for food sources like fish, squid, and crustaceans. Ice-covered regions. Beluga whales have adapted to living in ice-covered areas and are known to navigate through cracks in the ice to breathe. Their ability to navigate in icy environments is facilitated by their ability to break through thin ice and their lack of a dorsal fin, allowing them to swim easily under ice. Seasonal migration. These whales are known to undertake seasonal migrations. During the winter months, they may move to areas where there's less ice cover, while in the summer, they migrate to coastal areas for feeding and reproduction. Beluga whales can be found in various regions across the Arctic, including the Arctic Ocean itself and adjoining seas such as the Bering Sea, the Sea of Okhotsk, the Hudson Bay, the Beaufort Sea, and the White Sea. Their distribution can vary among different populations, and while some beluga populations are more sedentary, others undertake long migrations depending on the availability of food and changes in sea ice patterns. Overall, they are highly adaptable to a range of Arctic and subarctic environments, navigating both open waters and areas with ice cover. Beluga whales are found in various Arctic and subarctic regions around the world, not just in Russia. However, Russia is known to host significant populations of beluga whales in several regions. There are a few reasons why beluga whales are commonly associated with Russia. Abundant habitat. Russia has vast Arctic and subarctic coastlines along the Arctic Ocean and adjacent seas. These areas provide suitable habitats for beluga whales, including coastal waters, estuaries, and areas with seasonal ice cover where belugas tend to thrive. Migration patterns. Some beluga populations migrate seasonally, moving between different areas in search of food and suitable breeding grounds. Certain regions along the Russian coastline serve as important migratory routes and summering areas for beluga whales. Research and observation. Researchers have studied beluga whales in various parts of Russia, leading to a better understanding of their behaviors, migration patterns, and habitats. This scientific interest has contributed to the association between beluga whales and Russia. Cultural significance. Beluga whales have cultural significance in some regions of Russia, where they are traditionally considered important animals and are part of local folklore and indigenous cultural practices. While beluga whales can be found in several Arctic and subarctic regions around the world, including Canada, Alaska, Norway, and Greenland, among others, the presence of significant populations and research efforts in Russia contributes to the association of beluga whales with this particular country. Yes, beluga whales are known for their trainability and adaptability to learning in captivity. They are highly intelligent marine mammals and are often featured in aquatic shows and educational programs in marine parks and aquariums around the world. Beluga whales have demonstrated an ability to learn and perform a variety of behaviors through training programs conducted by skilled trainers. These behaviors might include acrobatics, vocalizations, interactions with trainers, playing with objects, and participating in research or educational demonstrations. Their intelligence, curiosity, and social nature make beluga whales responsive to training methods that use positive reinforcement techniques. Trainers use rewards such as food, play, or praise to encourage and reinforce desired behaviors. Training programs are often designed to stimulate the whales mentally and physically while also providing important mental enrichment for their well-being in captivity. It's important to note that while beluga whales can be trained and can perform various behaviors in controlled settings, ethical considerations regarding the welfare of these animals in captivity continue to be a subject of debate. Advocates for animal welfare emphasize the importance of providing appropriate living conditions, mental stimulation, and social interaction for captive belugas to ensure their well-being.